up, friends? Welcome back to Free the Tomatoes. Today I have a bittersweet update for you on how Project Pan is going. So, the bitter part of this, I'm very upset because on my computer I have a folder titled YouTube, or I did have a folder titled YouTube, and that is where I kept all my progress photos, all my notes that I was taking on the products that I was using, ideas for videos, you know, all that stuff that someone who does YouTube would have in a folder called YouTube. And don't ask me how. I have not the slightest idea, but that folder is now gone. So all the videos that I had filmed and edited, gone. All my progress photos, gone. So we've tried multiple recovery programs already, and unfortunately nothing has been able to bring back my folder. I can find photos I deleted from years ago, but not something that's vanished within the last 24 hours. So very upset about that. So unfortunately I don't have a before photo to show you this time. I have made some progress on my palette, which is the sweet part of this. So without further ado, here is my palette. So I remember one of my goals was to hit pan on Flirty. We were using Faithful. This was also part of our drop 10 with the Pantastic Ladies as well. My goal was just to hit pan on that one, and as you can see, it is completely gone. So I'm, again, kind of bittersweet about that. I didn't mind the shade Faithful. It was actually kind of that nice, springy, metallic-y peach color, but it was still very neutral, very wearable. You could wear it on its own as like an all-over lid shade, and that's what I was technically doing with it. However, a month of use, like everyday sort of use, and the color is gone. So there wasn't a lot of product with that one, which is funny because these other shades over here I've definitely used more than 30 times, and they're still holding on with strong power, but Faithful is 100% gone. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm happy to have panned another shadow, but just didn't think it would be that soon. So yeah. And then, like before, we had Fearless, Fabulous, and Flawless are gone. We did have pan on Feisty. We now have pan on Flirty. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm not really sure what my goals are now with this palette because I'm not the biggest fan of the colors Fit or Firm. I don't really enjoy these dark colors over here. I do think I could probably use up Flirty and Feisty. Actually, let's make that the goal. We're going to use up Flirty and Feisty. Those are going to be the next two. Maybe over the next 2 months, not necessarily the next month, but that's what I'm going to work on. So here's my palette. I'm sorry I don't have a before. I'm probably way more upset about it than you are, but thanks for checking in, and I will see you in the next update. Thanks, guys. Bye.